Welcome to Infinity with VG. In today's class, we will discuss about the question related to arithmetic progression. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is 22, n term is minus 11, and the sum of first n terms is 66. Find the number of terms, common difference of the progression, and the ratio of third term to the seventh term. What and all they have given? Here they have given, this is arithmetic progression. The first term, that is A, is equal to 22. And nth term means an, that is minus 11. And the sum of first n terms means n is equal to 66. What and all we have to find? We have to find the number of terms. That is, n is how much? Common difference. D is how much? And the ratio of third to seventh term. That is how much? We know the formula of sum of first n terms. What is that? Yes, n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula. Or we can write it as a plus an. It is nothing but the addition of first and last term, nth term. Correct? Here n means that one we don't know. We have to find divided by 2. A is we have, that is 22, and n term, that is minus 11, and Sn we have, that is 66. Correct? Now simplify this. 66 is equal to n by 2. 22 minus 11 means 2 minus 1, that is 1. 2 minus 1 means again 1. And it implies 66. This 2 when comes to here, it will multiply. And this 11 when comes to LHS, it will become divide. Is equal to n. We will write n as it is. Here we can simplify. 11 ones are 11, 6 are. 6 twos are, that is 12. We got n. How many terms are present? 12 terms, correct? N is 12. Then they are asking, what is that common difference? We know the formula of first term means 12th term. What is that? A 12 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A12 we got, that is minus 11 is equal to A is here 22 plus 12 minus 1 means 11. D we want, we will write here. And minus 11, when plus 22 comes to this side, it will become minus 22 is equal to 11D. Minus minus, both are minus. So we will add first, that is 22 plus 11. It is 33, correct? Minus symbol is, we have to remember. And when this 11 comes to here, it will become 11 is equal to D. 11 ones are, 11 threes are. Don't forget to put minus symbol here. Minus is present. So minus 3. So D we got, that is minus 3. Then they are asking the ratio of third term to seventh term, correct? A3 is to A7 they want. We will write here A divided by A7. How we will write? A3 we can write it as A plus 2D divided by A7, A plus 6D. We can write A plus n minus 1 into D, correct? But we have written A plus 2D because we have D and we have A in our hand. So we will write as it is. A is here first term. What is that first term? First term is 22, correct? A is 22. And D is we got that is minus 3, correct? So A is 22 plus 2. D is minus 3 divided by A again 22. 6 into D is minus 3. Simplify. 22 plus into minus, when multiplied it will become minus. 3 2s are 6 divided by 22 plus into minus, that is minus. 6 3s are 80. 22 minus 6 means how much? 16 divided by 22 minus 18. That means 4. Again, we will simplify here. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So A3 divided by A7, that is 4 divided by 1. Or in ratio form, 4 is to 1. Okay, so we have found out n, that is 12, d, that is minus 3, a3 is to a7, that is 4 is to 1, and d is minus 3, and n is, that is 12 term. Correct? I hope you understood this. Here in this, you have to remember which formula. Just one thing, that one you have to remember, sum. You have to remember this sum formula and this an formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 formula. Okay. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you for watching.